number 6, Marlene Iguache. Contestant number 6 is wearing a design based on Pai Taekwondo.
A very good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. This is Marlene Iguache from this very place, Amar. I'm 19 years of age who loves traveling and singing. Currently pursuing their first semester in Manipur College, and I'm here today to make my dream come true, and that is to wear the crown of Miss Good once in a lifetime. Thank you so much, and the people sing it tonight.